And wearing jersey number 25, Perez. Para sa team of St. Benilde, wearing jersey number 16, Verones. Wearing jersey number 18, Liu. Wearing jersey number 29, La Fiesta. Wearing jersey number 8, Altuve. And wearing jersey number 7, Calibo. Good luck for both teams. Ang mananalo po, makakatapat ng LPU sa ating Season 2 Finals. Paalala po rin para sa mga manonood, bawal po tayo mag-vape at manigarilyo sa loob po ng vicinity ni STI. Maraming salamat po. All players, all accessories, sigaw, puntas, bracelet, pakitanggal po muna. Maraming salamat po. First possession para sa team ng CRE. Diaz, Guetta, Huerta. Sega. 14 seconds to shoot. Go. Tapos na bola. Kalabak Institute ball. Liga, pass to Rata. Go. Rebound para kay Shorty. Calibo, pass to Largesa. Back to Calibo. Calibo. Go. Rata secures the board. Diaz, stop and pop. Go. St. Benilde. Lakan rebound para kay Guerra. Lakan pa rin. Crossbar to Diaz. Back to Lakan. Guerra secures the board. Diaz secures the board. Foul. Foul para number 7, Calibo. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng St. Benilde. Perez. Pass to Lakan. Pita. 10 seconds to shoot. La Fiesta secures the board. Good. Referee by Perez. Safe ball. Repete na natin. La Fiesta. Pass to Jude. Waiting to shoot. Chocolate violation. Perez. Pass to Lakan. Back to Perez. Diaz. Go. Huerta with another ball. 1 rebound to Morning. 5 seconds to shoot. Ready to shoot. Lakan the goal. Save ball. 14 seconds. Execution! Lahat to pinagkakaroon Lolo Alquiler foul. Foul para number 8, Diaz. First personal foul, first team foul para sa team ng Brock Institute. Pascal Arqueta, Oscar Caldu, Ortiz the shoe. John. First foul by number 16, the Rojas. First personal foul, second team foul para sa team ng St. Hills. Perez. Pascal Lakaran. Lakaran! First triple to the lane, but inside the Lakaran. Pascal Arqueta. 13 to shoot. Perez. Double. Perez with the board. Diaz. Foul. Basket down. There's not enough foul by number 8, Alquiler. First personal foul, third team foul. What a shot by number 8, Diaz. Official score 7-0. Perez. Diaz. Pascal Lakaran. Back to Diaz. Grabe naman! Di ba ang parang itong bola? Kalubo. Largesa. Official score 7-4. Rudy Maranchoco. Turnover para sa Brock Institute. Kalito. Stolen by Lakaran. Maray, Toto, Alquiler with the board, out the pass, Caldipo. Official score 8-7. Diaz, good team para Cordova. Diaz. Rat-rat, agad na po rat. Huwag yun na po na rat. 13 seconds to shoot. Sabaya. Pasca Cordova. Good. Rebound para Marin. Official goal, open. Shotty, Limpiado, three. Marin, Vasco Diaz. 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Cordova. Third rebound of the ball game. Scored by Luisa. Substitution clock. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 start the first quarter. Alquiler. Official score 15-13. Cordova 14 to shoot. Hey, para Luisa. Marin. 59 seconds remaining. Foul by number 15, Hagor. First personal foul, second team foul. 50 seconds remaining. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Luisa, 14 seconds to shoot. Rebound para Cordova. Lizano. 10 seconds. Rafael Miller. 7 seconds. 3 seconds. Official score 19-15 in favor of St. Hill.
Take it, bomb, of course, support, the line, my eyes, watch your face, and you're dumb.
Start of the second quarter. Ganda ng ikot.
Try mo rin sa ilalim. Madilim ba?
Suitsa. Lumabot na yung hila. Up the pass. Foul para number 73. Malay, first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para kay number 11, Safalia.
Nasa liga namin.
Home court eh.
Official score 22-15. Malaba. Laran. Agor. Agor 3. Official score 22-18. Pagdopa. Rebound para kay Agor. Good D. Safe ball. Laran. Rebound para kay Sabalia. Sabalia. Gilles. Sabalia.
Ayun ba na?
Sabalia with 7 points. Rebound para kay Panasiga. Pagsoba. Substitution ball. Official score 24-18. Agor. Pass naman Lapas. Oblona. Good. Rebound para Sabalia. Sabalia kembali. Good D para kay Oblona. Agor. Laran. Laran. Pass naman Lapas. Agor. Good. Rebound para kay Manasigan. Alvier. 14 seconds to shoot. Manasigan. Sabalia, pass the view. Rebound para kay Oblona. Diaz. Pass to Manlapas. Manlapas 3.
Biton. Bukal ka ba ba?
Official score 26-23. 14 to shoot. Rebound para kay Manasigan. Manasigan. laban. Latri. Rebound para Mentigas. Stolen by Alquira. Shocking. Mentigas to the board. Lakan pa din. Official score, Madrid Godin. Rebound para Pamplona. Lakan. St. Vincent Comparato y la Santa Marina. St. Vincent. Official score, 31-28. Back to the ball game. Official score 31-28 in favor of Calabar Institute. Sabalia, that's the news. Sabalia. Sabalia. Foul by number 7, Caldivo. Second personal foul, first team foul para sa St. Peter. Sabalia. Sabalia. Official score, all 33. Good team para La Fiesta. La Fiesta. Official score, all 35. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Start in second quarter. Teraz Pastor Yu. Calvivo. Calvivo. Lahan. Lahan with 15 points. To shoot. Carles, 10 to shoot. Sabalia, 5 to shoot. Now clock Institute ball. Tina. Paso Lakaran. Lakaran. Bagus. Lakaran pa din. 10 seconds to shoot. Diaz. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Terrones. First personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 37 seconds. 14 to shoot. Rebound para Benfica. Ray Gomez. Rebound para Isabela. Official score 40-37. Substitution. Official score 40-39. Sabalia 3.
Mainit.
Sabalia with 15 points. To shoot. Ready to shoot. Rebound para Diaz. Official score, all 43. Back to the ball game. Calipo. Ready to shoot. Basket down. Who's ball up? Foul by number 2, Pika. First personal foul, 13 foul. One shot by number 16, Terrones. Laran. Garben Aguirre. Diaz. And the shoot. Rebound para Calipo. 25 seconds remaining. Seconds remaining. 14 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. And to shoot. 10 seconds remaining. Traveling violation. 8 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Slap to the ball game. Calapan Institute ball. CI ball ko na CI. Start the third quarter. Baik, pasangan. Sabalia, 14 to shoot. Kalibo. 10 to shoot. Algira. Ball para number 27, Pamplona. First personal foul, first team foul. Para sa team ng Alabang Institute. Two shots para kay number 8, Algira. Two out of two para kay Algira. Official score 48-47.
Mamaya mo na eh. Quarter.
Well, pass ko lang ka. Pass ko lang ka board. Good team para kay Algira. Shorty. Pass to Choco. Caribo Green. Official score 50-48. In favor of St. Emilio. Diaz. Pass to Manay. Double. Save ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pamplona. Pass to Diaz. 10 to shoot. Manay. Calibo. Pass to Algira. Back to Calibo. 10 seconds to shoot.
Mataas dapat ito.
10 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Counter Igot. Shot clock violation.
Kaya rin.
Diaz. 14 seconds to shoot. Diaz. Line violation. Savaria. 14 to shoot. Perez. Pass to Halibo. No good. Said to the board. Out the pass. Lahan. Pass to Maguana. No good. Halibo with the board. Savaria. Halibo. 13 seconds to shoot. Laura secures the board. Official score 53-15 in favor of CI. Foul para number 27. Pamplona. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots para number 8, Alquire. One out of two para Alquire. Official score 53-51. Seconds to shoot. Agora. Time to shoot. Malabas. Back to Rata. Time to shoot.
Bigat na.
Calibo. Official score, all 53. Malabas. Pass to Agora. Sampalia with the board. Calibo. Official score 55-53 in favor of St. Camille. Back to the Pasodilla. 14 to shoot. Ball para number 13. Varasiga, first personal ball, first team ball. Substitution. Official score 55-54 in favor of 6-0. the shoot. La Piazza. Basso Alivo. Sogo. Again the board. Tutti para il gioco. Larghezza. Official score 59-54. To shoot. Ball by number 8, Alquiles. Second personal ball, second team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Malakas, pass on ball. Ball by Maracina. Alquiles to Choco. Foul by number 18, Manlapas. Second personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots by number 7, Caldivo. Tuwardo para kay Caldivo. Official score 61-54. Kita. Back to Mandapa. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Turnover, ball institute. Official score 63-64. Well, now working to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Who's following? It's sportsmanlike foul number 23.
Huerta.
Huerta, 3 minutes for Sabuna. Number 2, para kay Larghezza. Official score 64-54 in favor of St. Miguel. Larghezza. Pablana. Back to Teresa. Who's following? Foul by number 29, Larghezza. First personal foul, team foul. Mandapa. Back to Pablana. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound para kay Marasiga. Ball para kay number 18, Malabas. Personal foul, penalty, penalty. Two shots para kay number 11, Sabalia.
Saan naglalaro?
First game.
Sir, penalty na po ang CI. Sir, penalty na po. Ito po, ina-announce po natin. Substitution. Official score 68-54. Kita. Betul. Di bawah barang teror. Pembelahan. Pembelahan. Laran. Lebih pada jasa. Jawab. Dalibo. Dalibo. Official score 17-54.
She pushing the pressure, shuffle the talk, conversation and treasure.
Back to the ball game. Official score 17-54.
Matagal na yan.
Lahan. Basto Manay. Manay. Working to shoot. And to shoot. Lebron para kay Lebron. Liu. Lebron para kay Diaz. And to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 to shoot. Rebound para kay Tika. Who's balled? Number 13, Marasiga. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ayun.
And to shoot. Ball on number 16, Derek Rollins. Second personal foul, penalty matter. 2 shots para kay number 8, Diaz.
Bota mga ito. Ano pa rin?
0-2.
Dahil nararating mo
55 seconds remaining.
Sino? Sino?
14 to shoot. And to shoot.
Ay,
Rebound para kay Aranda. Diaz. Ganun na Lipiano. 14 to shoot. Twenty seconds remaining.
Makati na yun.
14 to shoot. Foul by number 8, Diaz. Second personal foul. One out of two para kay Marasigan. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. 3. And on the third quarter, official score 7-1, 56.
Kung sino man nanalo dito, tapos yung Lyceum kanina. Finals na yun. Hindi kasi lumaro. Nagano sila, default sila ng semis nila. Oo.
Hindi, biyak siya lang.
Hindi ako pinag-sensitize.
Ibig sabihin, last game,
Last na. Kumbaga kung sino matalo, last na.
ano yung one game lang din ako twice sa video.
One game lang, walang prize na dito.
Lugi ka nito.
Back to the ball game. St. Ball.
Ngayon sa Badol,
Parehas mo, final, Sabado sa Linggo.
bali, apat na tira.
Dalawa na lang, kung sino manalo po dito. Kalaban ng Lyceum.
Last and final quarter. Rebound para kay Manay.
Ang bata eh.
Diaz with 9 points. Official score 7-1. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Rebound para kay Galvico. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound para kay Pamplona.
Turbo yun eh, no? Cordoba.
14 seconds to shoot. Wow, that's the guy. Who's foul up? Foul by number 9, Cordoba. First personal foul, first team foul. Ball shot para kay number 8, Diaz.
Ibig sabihin, sa Badol meron.
Official score 7-1, 61.
Kung sino manalo po dito.
Tapos sa linggo,
Ganun ulit. Game 2 nila. Kasi best of 3.
Candido.
may pala, okay.
Sa final.
Paso sa baya. 14 seconds to shoot.
Guys, to fit talaga, no?
Rebound para kailangan. Rebound para kay Olvira. Camilo. Paso Cordova. Back to 30-point lead, 74-61. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Diaz. Substituto. 11 seconds to shoot. Now playing Roberta. Official score 74-63. 14 to shoot.
Buti nga hindi.
Official score 77-63. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul by number 27, Bob Lona. Third personal foul, first team foul. Stolen by Bob Lona. Foul by number 13, Marasigan. Third personal foul. Diaz. Rebound by Foul by number 9, Bogova. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Tumabalik yan.
What a shot by number 23, Huerta.
Hindi na naglalaro.
Lagi daw pang gabi eh.
Official score 77-69. Cordova. Galing by Manay. Step back. Official score 80-69. Rebound by Cordova. Chopper. Shanti. Aguilera. Stolen by Manaig. Official score 80-71. Seconds to shoot. Rebound by Balibor. And to shoot. Time to shoot. Putri lima parahan. Iya. That's a 7-point lead. AB 7 lead. Galibo. Passo na down to 6-point lead, 82-76. 14 to shoot. I'll do that. Was ball by number 8, Alquila. Third personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots, ball by number 27, Pamplona. Official score 86-77. Rebound para Alquila. Rodrigo Martínez. Ciao, with the board. Wow. Call para kay number 27, 73. Makai, second personal foul, second team foul.
Isa lang.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Upper side movement. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 80-86. Number 11, Somalia. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Looking to shoot. Official
akala niya hindi pa nawawala. Kung anong part na yan eh.
Back to the ball game.
Ito part na yun talaga. Kung anong background niya eh.
Official score 86-83. Savalia. Zona Balanesa. Seconds to shoot. And to shoot. Ball by number 23, Guarda. Second personal ball, 13 ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Okay. All players, ball bench muna tayo, all players. Bench muna tayo, all players.
Galibabo. Galibabo kasi hindi na
All
hindi na
players,
bono.
bench muna tayo, all players.
Hindi na bola habol. Kita ba dyan?
Regular foul by number 23, Guarda. First personal foul, working for penalty.
Di ata na mag-get. No. Kung ano ako mag-get.
Fourteen seconds to shoot. Largueza. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 to shoot. Shot clock violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Sa ating last and final quarter. Ay, Vasco Diaz. Who's Malalet? Ball by number 11, Savalia. Second personal penalty direct. Two shots, following number 8, Diaz. Official score 88-84. Largessa. Galing pa nakalang. Foul by number 13, Lakaran. First personal foul, Carolina. Two shots by number 29, Largessa.
Nagbigay nga yan eh.
Kumpito yun.
0-2. Rebound para kay Diaz. One minute remaining. Fourteen to shoot. Then to shoot. Blocked by Pamplona. 7 seconds to shoot. Largessa. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Rebound para Largessa. Seconds. 5 seconds. Rebound para kay Pamplona. 19 seconds remaining. Bodo. Rebound para Largessa. 8 seconds foul. Foul para kay number 8, Diaz. Third personal foul, Carolina.
May pagulangan siya eh.
Kaya di na pinapakatin yun eh.
May pagulangan ka eh.
8 seconds remaining. After the ball game. I trade two special words for infinity. That's the song I feel for. Cash ball, Eight seconds remaining. Official score 89-84. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Official score 89-87.
Maalit naman dyan sa dalawa yan.
Back to the ball game.
Dito yung
Official score 89-87.
dito yung kumuha. Ha? Mas okay lang dito. Ha?
5 seconds remaining. para sa team ng Bambang Institute. Foul ball by number 23, Huerta. Fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Ang time mo po ba?
Meron pa ako. 4 seconds. Ha? Wala. Wala.
Rasky.
Mga demonyo yun nandun eh. Mga demonyo. Ha?
Kaya ko, 1,000. Yan.
Kasi.
Let's roll.